In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to change your username on Vinted. Whether you want a fresh start or a name that better represents you, I'll show you the simple steps to update your username. Before we jump in, if this video is helpful, please consider leaving a comment, subscribing to the channel, and giving it a like. Your support helps us create more helpful content for you. To change your username on Vinted, follow these steps. Open the Vinted app and log in if you haven't already. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on Help Center. In the search bar, search for username. Click on Changing Your Username. Read the information about changing your username. Then click on the Contact Us button. Describe why you want to change your username and also state your new username. Then click the Submit button. That's it. Wait for the response from Vinted customer service and your username has been changed. To quickly recap, we covered how to access profile settings and change your username in just a few steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let us know if there are other Vinted features you'd like help with. And stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.